Welcome back to another adventure, and today we'll be visiting an Italian restaurant in the town of San Fabian. This authentic Italian restaurant is owned and managed by Signore Tiziano Rossi, and he is from Turin, Italy, a town famous for its royal palaces, art, and cuisine. Signore Rossi has been living in the Philippines for the past 6 years, and it has always been his dream to open an Italian restaurant. So you can expect that every dish is handmade and supervised by him. And we all know what Italy is famous for, their pizzas and pastas. He assures us that everything is made with quality Italian ingredients. And I can attest that his pizzas is one of the best pizzas in Pangasinan. This pasta dish is called a matriciana, a linguine pasta in tomato sauce with smoked bacon, onions, and a lot of Parmesan cheese. And to cater Filipino taste, they also have a signature burger made with premium quality beef patty, his own recipe, with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, smoked bacon, jalapeno, and a good amount of barbecue sauce. We were so excited because here comes the pizza. We were able to try 3 flavors: the focaccia di Parma, the quattro formaggi, the 4-cheese pizza, and the La Favola special meat pizza. And of course, a commemorative photo with the chef himself. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more contents like this.